Good evening, guys. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Yes. Right. Good evening. Good evening, guys. Right. And today, just I want to give a small demonstration about Java programming language. Right. Just simple demonstration. Then what Java? Then what we have to learn inside the Java, and what exactly our commitment about these classes there. Then all these points we are going to understand clearly. Then after that, time is permitted, then we will start like which one, like a basic introductory part for Java. Good. Guys, one straight question to all of you. Now tell me, now you are coming for this demo class, you are coming for this demonstration. Tell me, what is the requirement to learn Java for you? Do you have any idea? Why? Why we are trying to learn Java? What is the need? Right. Some jobs purpose. Any other reason? Job, job to develop desktop as well as web applications, coach. Vivek Sharma. Yes. Yes. Any other reasons, guys? All of you, please respond for me, guys. And before that, all of you aware about. Before that, all of you aware about your tutor. That means who am I? Then what I am discussing and who am I? Are you aware about it? Are you aware about it? Anyway, by the way, myself is Nagur Babu. Yeah, myself is Nagur Babu from Durga Soft. Yeah, myself is one of the founder of Durga Soft. That's it. Yeah, good. So then people are saying only to get job and have is good, and for personal use, that's fine. Come on, guys. And any other reasons? What is the requirement? What is the requirement to learn Java? Of course, that's fine. And I'm asking next question. To get a job, number of technologies are available in outside. Number of technologies are existed to get job in outside. More and more number of technologies are available. Still, what is the requirement to learn Java? Why you are coming for Java? Of course, in outside, Python is available. Of course, in Python is available in outside. Maybe Hadoop is available. Maybe Selenium is available. Like Salesforce is existed. Data science market is very good. But still, why you are coming for Java today? So most of the apps developed on Java. This is one reason. Java is evergreen. Good. Any other reason? Yeah, Havish, I know. I know about you. Yeah, that's okay. Good. Attend this class and listen the class monitor. High secure and full object oriented. Okay, good. Any other reason? Right, sir. The number of technologies are available, platform independent and mother of all. Good. Anil B. Good. Programming language. Yeah, it's okay. Good. Mother of all programming languages. Any programming language which is on the base of Java, Anil? Usma Rangali. Java will always be in boom. Yeah, that's fine. Right. Any other programming language which is on the base of Java, Anil? I'm asking you. I think, are you in Selenium background? Are you in Selenium testing? Are you in any other technology? JavaScript? No. Don't think like that. JavaScript is not on the base of Java. The word Java is available. That's okay, good. But it's a scripting language, little bit object orientation, and its syntaxes and everything is totally different. Don't think about it. Even emerging technology like big data and mostly data analysis, analytics are based on Java. And if you observe this big data analysis and Hadoop, Maybe in a map reduces in that cases only we are able to use the Java. But in map reduces also Java is one alternative. That's it. Even if you know SQL, then we can do that. Where Java is not mandatory. In only one area, Java is required. That area for Java also number of alternatives are available. We can use Python also. Selenium, source for Salesforce, good. Rajeshwari Devi, Vasanta, good. Selenium, Java based Selenium is available. Python based Selenium is also existed. Good. Right, guys. Whatever the answers you are giving and whatever the idea you have there, that's fine. That's 100% right. No need to worry for that. Good. But anyway, then my perspective is, I think already some of you have covered, some of you have given answers for my question, right answers only. All of your answers are right, no doubt for that. But two things here we are going to concentrate here regarding this one. What are the two things? No. First one is Java is a straight line. Java is a straight line if you take a graph and straight line. It will not get any up and downs. It will not get any problems. Maybe we can see upward direction growth only, but we will not see like which one here downward. Java will not down. I'm sure about it. I'm sure about it. In the next 20 to 25 years of time, you will not get any problem. Up to this generation, Java will not get any problem. Java is still having market in outside. This is one thing. And the second one is which one? In the area of enterprise applications, Java is a king. If you want to prepare any enterprise application, say for example, I want to prepare a bank application, or I want to prepare an insurance application, I want to prepare a healthcare application, or I want to prepare an aerospace application. Like number of domains are available. For each and every domain, if you want to prepare any application, service based, definitely Java is one of the programming, not one of the program. Java is only the main alternative for enterprise application development. For data analysis side, number of alternatives are coming. Nowadays might be data processing and data analysis side. Data science is getting much more, but it is not the replacement for Java. Java areas is still preserved. Java has captured already that area. No replacement for Java. See, observe this clearly. What I'm telling you. In the case of Java, so number of technologies are available, number of frameworks are available. So no replacement for such type of frameworks. That's the point here. What I'm telling you. So because of this reason, most of the people are still prefer to come for which one? Their Java programming language only, and compared with the other programming languages. Guys, now just I'm giving clarity. This is not like my on-flow might be information. I analyzed this Java in the last 14 years onwards. Last 14 to 15 years onwards, I'm seeing this Java. I'm looking this Java now. Even I can give some situations to you know. If you observe this 1999 and 2000, 1999 and 2000, on that years, a little bit recession period was there. By the time Java was born and getting good demand, but recession time is there, and which dates no almost 1999, like 2000 on that moment, right, sir? Little bit recession. Okay, good. So there might be Java is booming. Java growth was started there. Then after that, and it's going on. That a very good field is going on there for Java. Almost all it comes to when it comes to the 2008 to 2009. Again, another recession is there. 2008 to 2009 and 2010 in between that. One more time recession time is there. But still there also Java was not having any downfall. But other technologies are having downfall. Understand it now? Then by the time Java and .NET are both competitive technologies, they both are having very good competition. Right? By days goes on. Then .NET is having downfall and .NET almost are dead in outside. Little bit requirements are going on there, but still, then when compared with the .NET, Java is very good. Now for Java, then people are comparing that Python and data science. No, but still I'm telling you, Java is not having any problem. Java is not having any problem. Other technologies may come and may out, but Java is not having any problem. Understand, guys? Understand my point? What I'm telling you now. Other technologies are comes and goes, right? But Java is a straight line. Java is not having any effect because it has a strong layer. It has a strong layer in our applications. Right, guys? Understand this point clearly. What I'm doing. Guys, just 1 minute wait. Just I will come back now. Just wait 1 minute of time. I'll come back. Right, guys? Now, this is what exactly the story here I'm giving about this, like which one can know that content here I'm giving clarity to you. That's okay, fine. So like this, then we can talk about this differences there at any number of times might be, and how much time even if you discuss about these differences, no much time we are able to put. No need to worry for that. But finally, one thing I'm telling you, Java is having very good feature, and Java is only the technology leading technology. Even I'm teaching Java and Python both at a time. No, I'm teaching Java and Python at a time. I'm teaching there. In general, might be I'm teaching both the batches. No, but personally, my personal feeling is which one when I'm doing application development with Java, when I'm doing application development with Python, I may identify somewhat easiness with Python, but that interest and as well as that kick in general, we used to say kick. That kick we are able to get when we are doing application development with Java only. Yeah, really, I'm telling you. Understand it clearly now, what I'm telling you. So because of that reason, Java is having features. Definitely Java will not get any replacement. Java is a king in the IT sector still. Understand it clearly what I'm telling you. Right, sir, leave it now anyway. And Python and all these things are for which one they know some other area. Again, and I'm telling you. Python is for data science. Python is for mainly for which one? Data science. Python is not for enterprise application development. Even on this Python and Django framework is available, but still a little bit web environment we are able to prepare. That's okay, good. But Python is majorly used for which one? Data science. But Java is majorly for which one? You know, enterprise application development. So Java side is different, Python side is different. Both are not replaceable. Come on, guys. All of you are getting my point or not? What I'm telling to you clearly. Right. This is one thing here we can understand it, no? Guys, and whenever I'm asking these questions to you, whenever I'm asking some questions to you, just please respond for me. Please respond for me immediately. Right? Good, sir. Good, guys. Then, apart from that, coming to the content, what we record, what we are discussing, what we are going to have, and what we are having inside the Java. If you come for this point, I can give some list of technologies what we require. As you want to set your career in Java side, what you have to learn. But basically, which set of technologies we have to learn. So if you come for this total point, just I'm giving to you core Java. Second one is advanced Java, core Java, and second one is advanced Java. Third one is Hibernate, and fourth one is Spring. In Spring again, two parts are available: Spring 1 and Spring 2. Why? Because right, sir. Spring was elaborated more. That Spring was existed more and more. So two parts are existed in Spring that we have to learn. After that, next part is like which one here? Web services. In web services also two parts are available, and SOAP and REST. SOAP and REST. Two parts are existed here. So these are the technologies majorly we have to learn. Basic technologies we have to learn if you want to see your career at a Java site. Only these five technologies. As per this Java, only these five technologies. First one is like which one? Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Web Services. These five technologies here we have to learn. This is a minimum for every Java developer. Nowadays, don't have any comparison like, sir, myself is a fresher. Is it required to learn all these five? Sir, myself is I want to keep 3 years of experience in my resume. Is it required to learn all? So such kind of questions are invalid at present as of now, at present situation. All these questions are invalid. If you want to set your career in Java side, you must learn all these technologies, maybe tomorrow or day of tomorrow, whatever it may be. Understand it clearly. So then full stack development in the sense, majorly these technologies, along with that few more sideways technologies here we have to learn. I will give that list of the technologies also, no need to worry for that. But as you want to become as Java developer, minimum you must aware about these technologies. Then immediately you may have one question to me. Then I'm telling to you, then why, sir? Why these five technologies we required? Now tell me, you may ask this question. And some of you are having doubt, sir, then what is the requirement to learn up to web services? No. If I learn core and advanced Java, that's enough to get job in outside. My friend or maybe my brother has given this kind of suggestion. Try to learn core and advanced Java, that is sufficient to get job. But you may have this kind of thought in your mind. But first of all, remove that thought from your mind. Why? Because I'm telling you clearly what is the requirement to learn up to this web services. No, what is the requirement to learn up to this web services? No, nowadays in every company, 99% is 99% of the 99.99% of the projects are going on the basis of these three: Hibernate, Spring, Web Services. On the basis of these three, only 99.99% of the projects are going in every company. So once you selected in a company, you should work with Hibernate, Spring, Web Services. Maybe, yeah. If it is the case now, then what we have to learn? Definitely, we have to learn Hibernate, Spring, Web Services. Don't think about it. And projects are going on in the case of Core Java and Advanced Java. No, your Core Java and Advanced Java is a basic part, and to understand Hibernate, Spring, Web Services. On the basis of Core and Advanced Java, in olden days maybe projects are available, but at present every project is upgraded and every project is going on max. 99% of the projects are going on the basis of this Hibernate, Spring, Web Services. So we have to learn these technologies. But here the magic is which one? If you want to learn these technologies, we should be perfect in Core and Advanced Java. You must have perfect in which one? Then no, Core and Advanced Java. If you are perfect in Core and Advanced Java, then you can do like which one? They know Hibernate, Spring, Web Services. Guys, all of you are following my points or not? All of you are following my points or not? What I am saying to you clearly now. So then, if you want to see your career in a Java side, then you have to learn all these technologies. Right, sir. Guys, I'm telling to you, just at the end of the session, I'll give some answers to you. No need to worry for that. I will give some questions and answers point of view. I'll spend some time with you. No need to worry for that. But understand it, what I'm telling to you clearly now at present. And might be immediately, then people are asking about how much time, sir, it will take now. Just I will answer for it. Just wait a minute of time. Let me complete basic implementation, basic awareness now. Right, sir. So what is the point I'm telling you? Know, definitely we have to learn all these 5 technologies minimum. If you want to see your career at Java side, we must learn these 5 technologies as per this point now. And 1 or 2 situations I'm saying to you, and maybe previously might be 1 or 2 members they had called with me, and they had in the discussion with me previously, just 2 to 3 days back itself. No, then what people are doing there, I'm giving clarity to all of you guys. Try to understand it. What people are doing in general, the moment when they're learning Core Java and Advanced Java, they are taking light. That means they are not putting much concentration on this Core Java and Advanced Java. So they're taking light. When their courses are finished, then directly without having practice on Core Java and Advanced Java, directly they're coming for Hibernate. When they're coming to the Hibernate, whenever they're doing programming in Hibernate, automatically they're feeling difficulty with Hibernate. What happened? What is the problem there? Where is the problem? No, the problem is when they are learning Core Java and Advanced Java, they are not having a good focus on this Core Java and Advanced Java. Simply they have taken light, and these technologies are basic technologies. In my BTech, I already covered, so that I'm not having any prerequisite is required to come for like which one, the Hibernate, Spring, Web Services. So I can go for directly Hibernate now. The people are having such kind of thinking, no, without having focus on Core Java and Advanced Java. Understand it clearly, no? Without having Core Java and Advanced Java, then people are having this kind of thinking, no, they'll come for Hibernate. Then they definitely they are having some problem there. Understand it? That's why in a constructive manner, you have to come for like which one? You have to come for the courses. What is that constructive manner? First, you have to start with Core Java, next Advanced Java, next Hibernate, next Spring, next Web Service. Up to this part, you have to learn today or tomorrow, day of tomorrow, whatever it may be. Understand my point, Ken? Right, sir. Right, sir. Tarunam Patma, just I will give information. I will answer for your question also. Just wait a few minutes of time. Let me complete it. So finally, then everybody has to learn up to this part here. How much time it is going to be take? Just we have to learn up to this part here. That is one thing. Good, that's fine. Next one is after completion of this particular thing, no. Along with these 5 technologies, what we required exactly. Along with these 5 technologies, what we required, no. Next one is might be the thing about just in the continuation number here. I'm going to take no. Yeah. Guys and people are very much hurry about how much time it will take to complete all these 5 technologies. Just let me complete it. At the end of the sessions, I will answer for all of your questions. No, just try to understand what I'm telling you. Know, I think you're eager to know about like which one, how much is the duration to complete all. I will talk about it, and that learning procedure also I will give information to you. Don't need to worry for that. Right, sir. Now, first of all, understand it. Along with these 5 technologies, what we require? Real-time tools we require. Real-time tools. These are not separate courses actually. These real-time tools we require. And next one is like which one cannot design patterns. Design patterns. Okay, fine. These are not like separate courses there. Whenever we are trying to learn these technologies, automatically these 2 things has to be covered. These 2 things must be covered along with these 5 technologies. These 2 things has to be covered. So related to Java only. Related to Java only. Please guys understand it clearly now. So definitely when we are coming for my Hibernate now, then whatever the required tools we require there, maybe I'm going to cover like which one Maven, and I'm going to cover like which one Log4j, like this. And when we come for this Spring, some other tools. When we come for this web services, which tools are leading tools, which tools are used in market there, the tools we are going to understand. At the same time, design patterns also we are going to be covered. See, right from core Java onwards, we are going to focus on like which one the design patterns now. Definitely this awareness is required. Just we need to have awareness. These things must be learned, and these things must have which one they know awareness. This is one point. Next, apart from these concepts here, another thing what I am telling you know, and a database awareness is required. At least one database for Java developer. Oracle database is required minimum. Yes, Shubham Gupta, I will answer for you. Just wait minute of time. At the end of the session today, I will talk with all of you. So one database is required, and especially which database is required, you know, Oracle database is required. And in the case if Oracle database is not available, at least we have to go for like which one, MySQL. But nowadays number of alternatives are available for databases also. But as of now, database is one thing is required here. Along with these databases, now scripting languages here we required. What are the scripting languages here? I'm not talking about like which one here up to Angular and all. No, I required only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Minimum awareness is required. That's enough. Maybe of course, if you want to have more on bootstrapping or bootstrap, whatever it may be, that we required like this. And these are sufficient. No need to go for like up to Angular and all. Why? Because that Angular and Node.js and this is a separate path. This is not at like which one get Java side. This is at like which one the separate path. Right, sir. See, these things we have to learn automatically. Whenever we are working with core Java and advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring web services, no, automatically these things here we are going to learn. Up to this, what I am telling to you now. Right, sir. Guys, all of you get my voice and screen. Please confirm to me. All of you get my voice and screen clearly. Yes. Yeah. Right, sir. Now it's okay, fine. And this is like which one actual total content here what we learned, and these last 4 technologies automatically we are able to learn whenever we are trying to learn these technologies. This is the content what I am telling to you. Right, sir. That's fine. Now coming to this content here, coming to the point now. Right, sir. Coming to the right, sir. Remaining point. Now today, okay, fine. Then you may ask to me, then what I am able to teach among all these technologies? What you are able to teach, sir? Will you teach all these technologies behalf of Durgasoft? If you are getting any question, no, just I'm giving answers to you clearly. Here, my profile is like which one? My skill set is which one? Right, sir. Then all this, my skill set actually, my skills. If you are expecting from me, and Kusuma, just check your might be system that everybody is getting voice and screen. Yes, anyway. Right, sir. Right, sir. Now, observe this clearly. My skill set is like which one here? Just I can teach like which one? Right from this core Java and advanced Java. Then after that, third one is like which one here? And Hibernate as is that whatever the technologies here I provided Hibernate. And fourth one is, and these are about like which one here? Java sites. So these are about like which one Java side here that I'm able to discuss with you. Next one is like which one here? Spring, and fifth one is like which one here? No, web services. Right, sir. These technologies from Java side I can teach. Of course, I'm able to teach these 2 also, but not required anyway. Struts and as well as like which one? JSF. I'm able to teach these technologies, but these 2 technologies are not required at present. As per the market situation, just only these 5 technologies are sufficient. So this is at like which one? Java side, and I'm able to teach Python side also. At Python side, what I am able to teach there, just completely Python, basic Python I'm able to teach. then where core Python and advanced Python both. Right, sir. I'm giving clarity to all of you know, and advanced Python. Next one is the second one is like which one get Django. I'm able to discuss there and Django. Then after that REST API. Right, sir. Now these are the Python side here I'm able to discuss, but I'm planning for data science, not now, not now. Right, so now UI technology side here I'm able to discuss like which one here. Right, so now HTML and the next one is the CSS. Then after this JavaScript, then bootstrapping. Right, sir. Now up to Angular, then some other technologies, DOM and jQuery. Then finally Angular, but I'm Angular. Yes, I'm this time I want to discuss about this Angular up to this point. So these are my technologies part set. So I can teach as we are coming for this Java side, right from core Java to up to web services. I can teach right from core Java to up to web services. I can teach. I will not get any problem here. So once you start core Java, that means Java journey with me now, then I'm able to bring you to up to like which one they know end of these Java technologies. One by one here. I'm going to plan for this courses. Right, sir. That's okay, good. And then apart from this, what I am telling to you clearly, see, behalf of these courses, as part of my courses here, as part of these classes, there as part of these courses, no. So which version of Java here we are able to discuss. And if you want to come for this core Java syllabus, total syllabus of this core Java, guys, just one time I want to list out all these concepts, no. Then this is by default syllabus to all of you. You can think of it as all of you are following or not. Then today just I'm giving what I'm going to discuss with you completely. That means what exactly syllabus in case of this Java, what I'm going to be completed, what I'm going to discuss with you. Just wait for a minute of time. Just let me uh, give the total syllabus, what I'm going to discuss with you. By that we are able to get some clarity now. Right, sir. Now inside this first one is like which one here? Introduction part. First of all, let me list out it. Even I'm not going to explain anything about this now immediately. Why? Because you may not understand complete point here. Right, so now, yeah, then full package we are having, just I will talk with you regarding that. And introduction part, and next one is like which one here after completion of this. And steps to prepare first Java application. And the third one is like which one here? Language fundamentals. Then after this, fourth one is object orientation. This is very, very important topic. An entire core Java. If you want to give some stars there, you can give 10 stars for it. And next one is like which one? Then after that, string manipulations. After this string manipulations, the next one is like which one here? Wrapper classes. And the seventh one is like which one here? No, inner classes. After this, wrapper classes and inner classes. No, next one is like which one here? Packages. And next one is like which one? After that, exception handling. And 10th one is like which one here? Multi-threading. Then after that, 11th one is like which one? Then after this, multi-threading. IO streams. Then 12th one, after this IO streams, you can understand it like which one here. And I'll go for like which one here. Networking, like socket programming. Third one is like which one here? RMI. And next one is after completion of this, internationalization, I18N. And 15th one is like which one here? Reflection API. And 16th one is like which one here? Annotations. And after this, 17th one is like which one? JVM architecture. Right, sir. And 18th one is like which one here? Garbage collector. And after this garbage collector, the next topic is like which one here? And AWT. Even it's somewhat outdated, but still I can teach. Why? Because one time if I teach that, whether we are going to use that or not, it's a different situation. But definitely I will go for it. And Spring. Right, so now then after this AWT and Spring, then I will go for like which one here? Java FX. I'll plan for it. Then after completion of this, next one is like which one? Regular expressions. Then after completion of these regular expressions, yeah, Java FX also I'm planning for this time, this batch. Previously I have not discussed about the Java FX, but this batch onwards, right, and 6 o'clock batch onwards, I'm planning to discuss about this Java FX. No, yes, right, sir. Then apart from these regular expressions there, and we can understand like which one here, which technologies are remaining now, which topics. Right, sir. Garbage collector, regular expressions. Then after that, JVM architecture, it's okay fine, reflection API and annotations. Right, sir. After completion of this content here, now we can understand it like which one here. Apart from this, what are the main topics? No, multi-threading and IO streams, networking, LRMI, internationalization, and reflection AP, annotation, JVM architecture, garbage collector, and AWD swings, Java effects, and regular expressions. Right, sir. Right, I'll give information there. Then after completion of this, then I will go for like which one here. Basics of JDBC I will discuss with you. And 24th topic, like which one here, Java 8 version features. I will take separate classes for like which one here, no features. And 25, like which one here, Java 9 version features. Then 26, Java 10 version features. Java 10 version features. Right, sir. 27, Java 11 version features. All these features, different versions here. And 29, Java 12 version features. Right, sir. And 30th one, Java 13 version features. And 31st one, Java 14. Guys, any idea what is the latest version of the Java? Any idea what is the latest version of the Java? Do you have any idea about this latest version of the Java? Java 14 is the latest version of the Java. So we are going to discuss about this Java 14 up to Java 14 versions here we are planning here actually. Total Java 14 up to Java 14 here we are planning almost all. If any, see in the list I am giving there, if any one or two topics are missing there, collections I think. I forgot these collections in the middle there. Collections and generics actually. I was struck there actually where I have to provide this. But in the list I am giving, it is not like in an order, original order, but I'll go for that order there. And collections I have to discuss there. Next one is like which one here? Generics. Yeah, collections and followed the generics. Then before these collections, I may go for like which one here? Arrays topic I will discuss there separately. So here itself, I will discuss about this arrays. Then after that, collections and what next one here? 34th one is like which one? Generics. Like this, I was struck there actually. No, right, sir. Understand it clearly. And these are the total content here we are going to understand. Right, sir. Which version are we are going to learn now? See, I'm telling to you clearly. So once you are learning Java, and better to have updations up to Java 14th version. Up to this 14th version, we have to get updations there. Why? Because then today or tomorrow might be in the future we are able to use it. But as of now, in the outside market, Java 8 version, Java 9 versions are going on effectively. In the industry, even industry is not migrated up to Java 10 version. My industry is available up to like which one there, Java 8 and 9 versions only max. So industry is not in like which one there, and Java 10 onwards might be industry is not migrated. So we have to learn by default up to 8 and 9, but in my classes I will go for like up to which part here, no, Java 14 version. But one thing guys, we can understand it now. So Java 14 version was released this March only, the last March only, this year March only, right, sir? Answer my point. Java, that means Java 14 version was released in the, I think so, 18th of this March, last March. That was provided. Understand it clearly now. Then after completion of this, then what I'm telling to you, see, versions are released by Oracle for every 6 months of time. But for migrating up to that version, market may take a lot of time, maybe almost 4 to 5 years of gap is going on. So today one version is released by Oracle. After 4 years of time only that software industry may use that version. So this much of difference is available. But at present, if you know this Java 14, up to this might be 5 to 6 or 7 years of time, you will not get any problem. So your market may use that 14 version maybe after 4 to 5 years of time. But learning is important, just we are able to learn it. One more thing I'm telling there, just here I give in Java 8 features, Java 9 features, separate topics I'm going to take in the sense. In the middle also, whenever I require these Java 8 and 9 versions there, I will include that. I will teach them first, then I will go for it. By default, we are able to get 6 or 7 on all versions of Java I'm going to teach. So first of all, in the basic way, just I'm able to discuss and all these things. No, separate classes I will plan for like all these versions there clearly. So 8 onwards, we are able to have effective in the sense like which one? 8 version features, 9 version features, separately now. But even before this also, I may use that all these features, there 1 or 2 features of these upper versions, no. But effectively, that versions information here we are going to discuss right from this Java 8, Java 9, Java 10. up to the Java 14 version. As this is the total syllabus here, what I'm planning there in the case of our classes. So just I'm giving confidence level to all of you clearly. So up to the latest version here, up to the latest version, we are able to discuss. This is one point. Up to the latest version, maybe while going on in our classes there, meanwhile in of your classes there, whenever our classes are going on, if unfortunately Java 15 version is coming there, definitely we can expect that Java 15 version also. We can expect that Java 15 version also. There I'm able to provide this. Right, so now this is up to the latest version here we are able to discuss. And another thing is like which one? Everything is live execution. Everything is live execution. That means, and I will try to explain the concepts in front of you. I will type the program in front of you, and I will compile that program in front of you. I will show some errors. Intentional, I will show some errors. If you are getting any error, no, how to resolve that error, I will show that. Next one is I will execute the program. If any exceptions are coming, I'll show that exception details and I will explain that exceptions now. So live execution is going on, live classes. Understand, guys, what I'm telling you now. So all these sessions are live execution is going on. Not only in the case of core Java. Of course, today I'm taking this core Java demo class there. Not only in the case of core Java. If you go for like upper technologies also, everything I will type in front of you. So you will see the total development part. How I'm going to prepare these applications there. This is like which one, live execution. Right, sir. Third one is another advantage to us by attending my classes is which one there. You can think of it right from core Java to web services. Web services, you are going to learn from single trainer. In general, an outside might be institute might be that different trainers are going on. For core Java, one trainer, from advanced Java, another trainer, from web services, some other trainer, like this, multiple trainers are available. But now here at Durgasoft and myself, I'm going to take right from core Java to web services. So we are able to see the total content in a single trainer. So by this, what we are able to get there at a single site, at one site, we are able to complete our technologies totally. Right, sir. If you have patience level, then that I can teach that Python also at a single site. Understand it? That depends on your implementation and your intention here. That's okay, coach. This is an advantage by attending my classes now. Next, another one is like which one? Regarding this core Java, if you come for this core Java, nearly 500 plus pages of document is available. Document. That means which one here? Material. I prepared that material with my own hands. Nearly 500 plus pages of document is available. We are ready to share the document to all of you guys. Then whenever we are registering for these courses, now automatically we are able to get it. That is one thing. And another advantage is like which one here? Daily videos we are able to get. Daily videos every session within my, for example, this is a night session there. Maybe by tomorrow morning you are able to get that videos there. Daily videos we are able to get. For example, today this demo class is completing. Then tomorrow morning you are able to see that videos there. Tomorrow morning you are able to get that videos. Then our people, our admin people will share that videos to you through the Google Drive. Google Drive access they are able to provide to you. Understand it? Daily videos you are able to get it clearly. Right. So then apart from this, and anyway, of course, nowadays might be lockdown situation is going on in outside there. Lockdown situation is going on in outside. Just understand it, no? Maybe then after the lockdown, actually at Durgasoft in offline classes now, then number of companies are coming to visit to take some campus recruitment. Number of companies are coming there, but because of this lockdown, this situation is not available. So once if this lockdown is completed there, then again, and maybe companies will visit Durgasoft there. Where might be whenever these companies are coming there, they'll give intimation to you. Then we can attend for that interviews also through Durgasoft platform. But that companies will conduct and every process and everything at the offline in the sense on physically at Durgasoft main office. It's going on actually. So then we are going to give intimation to you if you want to attend for interviews at Durgasoft campus there. Just we can come and we can attend for it. That kind of placement support here we are able to provide. But it's not in like any job guarantee program, but we are able to provide somewhat placement assistance. Just it's not like job guarantee program, just it is like which one get placement and support we are able to provide. Just we are able to give intimations when companies are coming to Durgasoft and when they are going to recruit it. So this is the placement support also we are able to provide up to this clear level. And this video support here I'm telling you, then after completion of your course, max up to 6 to 8 months of time, they are available with they're not downloadable, just they are only on viewing purpose. We can see that 24 hours we can see that videos, right, sir? But max one time if you listen that videos, there is more than sufficient, right, sir? This is another thing here what I'm telling you. Right, so these are like which one, some support here what we are able to provide behalf of Durgasoft. Also carefully. Right, so then apart from this content here, and another thing is like which one here about our classes, no, apart from this. Right, sir. Then any other support from Durgasoft here regarding these classes there, no, apart from these classes, no. Yeah, now coming to the working days and working hours here. Just what about this one? On every week and every week 6 days classes are going on at startup. 6 days classes on startup. That means up to 1 or 2 weeks of time. Then definitely I will conduct the 6 days. If I'm not good, if I'm not feeling well, then I may not take the class care. Otherwise, maybe every week 6 days class is going on, max in 1 or 2 weeks of time. But if my syllabus is not in right track, whenever I'm feeling syllabus is not going on in a right track, no, then definitely I may conduct the classes on weekends also. On weekends also, up to this clearly. And the case might be, if it's not possible for you to attend for this weekend, so no need to worry for that. Why? Because in the next day, immediately you are able to get that video. On that video, we can see that and we can attend for it. But it may not be the problem. But every week, on every week, minimum 6 classes there, minimum 6 classes. And if possible, if our syllabus is not in the right track, no, definitely I may take classes on which one there, weekends also. On Sundays also, we can expect the class. But Sundays classes not immediately. I may conduct the Sundays classes maybe after completion of some weeks of time. This is one thing. Next one is everyday duration, guys. Observe this clearly, no. And now today I'm taking the classes there. All of you observe carefully. Listen. Duration point of view. That means everyday duration in the sense class duration I'm telling there. All of you observe carefully. Right, sir. Now up to 2 that means up to 2 weeks of time max. Up to 2 weeks of time. Your class timing is 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Just 1 hour class. Exactly at 7:30 or 7:35 I will start it. Exactly at 8:30 I will stop it. Up to 2 weeks of time. Guys, all of you observe carefully what I'm telling you. This timing is important to all of you. As for this IST, I'm telling you, up to 2 weeks of time, 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. IST. Good. Then after 2 weeks of time, after 2 weeks of time, I will take your session, right? Like which one can know 6, like which one can, of course, might be 6:15 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. IST. Right, sir. Up to 2 weeks of time, timing will be like which one there 7:30 to 8:30 only. Then after that, I will take your session right from like which one there no 6:15 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Come on, guys. Those who are attending this demo class today, and those who are attending this class, no, just I'm confirming the timing. I'm giving complete information on this timing, no. So try to recognize this timing, all of you know. So up to few days of time, I will take your session at like which one here 7:30 to 8:30 IST. But after 2 weeks of time, I will take your sessions at what time there 6:15 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. That's it. This is what exactly the schedule I'm giving to you clearly. Yes, guys, all of you are getting it or not? All of you are following my points now, what I'm telling to you. Right, sir. Then apart from this, then what I am telling to you after completion of this particular thing, no, then people are asking about the duration for it. The total duration of this course there. For core Java, I'm telling to you, no, the total duration for this core Java is like which one? Right, sir. Yeah. So the total duration of this course is like which one here? You can think of it, and it will be like which one here? 75 days to 90 days max. 90 sessions. This much here we required now. Right, sir. Max Ramjan month is going on up to how much time, sir? Maybe how many days are remaining there for Ramjan? Max, how many days there? Anyway, guys, no need to worry for that. And anyway, we are giving that video support and up to till 25th max. 25th in the sense you may not get any problem, sir. Then 2 weeks of time. After 2 weeks of time, I'm telling to you clearly. Then 6:15 is the timing after 2 weeks of time, not immediately. Right, sir. Good. All right, sir. Then this is which one? Then overall duration for my course is like which one here? 75 days to 90 days. Right. Right from maybe Monday onwards, we can count the date. Monday onwards, we can count the date. Right, sir. Now here we need to come for this. These are the days. Why? Because why I'm taking these many sessions? No, see, observe my syllabus actually. It's a huge complete content. Even in the middle of the course, if I have any new topics there, and I will update and I will include the topics also. So to complete this much of this total course, to complete this total part here, I must take like this care. I'm unable to complete within 1 month or 45 days of time care. It's a total what some people have given there. The total I've included max. Max I've included there. If anything is might be included. If anything I forgot to list it out now, definitely it will come automatically on flow. So it's a max syllabus. To cover this much of syllabus, this much of time here, I must take to cover this much of syllabus. I must take this class this much of time here. See, then covering this much of syllabus within like 1 month of time, 40 days of time in the sense, it might be it's a blaming kind of thing only. It's not possible. So definitely I have to take this much of time here. Then only it is possible to complete it. Otherwise, it is not possible, guys. Right, sir. Now it's a complete close and totally you are able to see that very good. My main asset of teaching is which one? Depth. Max depth I'm able to cover. Max depth I'm able to cover. Max I will go for that R&D kind of thing at each and every point. You can observe this clearly now. Right from layman to then last layman to max level, I'm able to give that knowledge. Simple conclusion I'm telling to you. At the end of the core Java, at the end of the Java technology, you should be in a position to teach Java to somebody else. Like that, we are able to have some confidence level. Yeah, by seeing my classes and by seeing my materials, you should be in a position to teach Java to somebody else. That much of confidence level you are able to get at the end of these sessions now. So then definitely we are able to get it. And one more thing. And apart from that, what I am telling to you, in the middle of the classes, if you are having any doubts or if you are having anything now, just what I'm telling to you, in our webinar, there is a box like which one get chat box. Now at present, whatever the questions here we're asking to me, in the questions box, just we can type your answers there. Always I used to open that questions box. Always I'm able to see your all these things like which one here, all the questions there. Then immediately I'm able to give some response on the basis of validity of your question. Then I will give immediate response there. And a fast track course in a sense, and it may take some time, Navi ma'am, not immediately. Right, it may take some time. Fast track. Then I'll announce maybe in the future about this fast track also. Not more than that. Right, guys. And how do we learn Oracle database there? Oracle database in the sense like which one I will conduct some separate batches there. For all these courses I'm going to teach now. I'm going to provide all these technologies. Even I forgot to include that Oracle. Oracle also I can teach. Right. So then I will include this all these courses there in the future. Don't worry for that. Right. And apart from this, and one more thing I'm telling to you, see, project development on core Java in the sense, why? Because the core Java scope is not sufficient to go for any official project there. Understand my point? At least if you want to start a project, minimum we required like which one they know, advanced Java. Minimum advanced Java we require if you want to start any project. But still, what we are able to do now, in the case of this networking small charting application, we are able to prepare. And with this JDBC, GUI and JDBC a little bit might be project kind of scope we are able to show, but they're not exactly projects. No, they're for our practicing purpose. Almost we are able to get 4 to 5 types of projects. We are able to get simple projects for our practicing purpose only. It's not like for which one you know other thing here. It's not like for keeping in our resume. Why? Because even if we put any project on core Java, if you go for interview will not trust on you. Why? Because nobody will keep any project on the base of core Java. Core Java scope is very less to go for this project. Project in the sense minimum advanced Java we require. Right, sir. Right. Definitely for our like which one here for our might be inside the classroom itself. I'm able to give some type of practice. I'm able to give some type of practice there inside the classroom itself directly. Dynamically, I will ask questions. Dynamically, I will give small assignments inside the classes only. You have to complete that assignments. Then everything is on live. Definitely. And in front of me, just whenever you are listening to the class there, just try to make your system ready. And whatever the installations I'm doing, try to do that installations along with me. Just we are able to provide this. Yeah, networking in core Java in the sense like which one here, chatting applications. Sending messages from one mission to another mission that we are able to provide. And what is this full stack development? Full stack development in the sense like which one? Then whatever the things here I provided, all these things are together is nothing but which one? Full stack development. And guys, I'm telling to you, right from morning 7 o'clock to night up to like which one 9:30 or 10 o'clock. I'm having classes there. I'm having classes there. So then during these classes there, and all batches are going to be start maybe. If you stick with that evening time only, that evening batches are also be going on. Answer my point clearly. Yes. And another thing is like which one? If you want to complete this total full stack development about this Java, nearly it will take nearly total complete Java. If you want to complete there, complete Java, it will take nearly 7 to 8 months of time. 7 to 8 months of time, but every 2 courses we have to do parallelly. Right, sir. Understand it clearly. Every 2 courses we have to do parallelly, then only you are able to complete within 7 to 8 months. Why? Because the bad thing about Java is which one? Long durations. Right, sir. Long durations are going on there. So full stack enrollment is not available, I think so at present, but in the future we will plan for it. But at present, individual courses here we are planning there. Just you can go for it. No need to worry. No need to think about like which one full stack development. Right. So the total Java, complete Java, if you want to get there totally, then 7 to 8 months of time it will take. No, every 2 courses we have to do parallelly. This is the actual plan. But now here, what I'm telling to you, I said you clearly. Up to 2 weeks of time, I will take sessions at 7:30 to 8:30. After 2 weeks of time, I'll go for like which one 6:15 p.m. to like which one there 7:30 p.m. I set you the 2 weeks of time like this. After 2 weeks of time now, so in place of this 7:30, after 15 to 20 days of time, after 15 to 20 days of time, I will go for like which one here 7:30. At that time, I will go for advanced Java actually. Right, sir. Yeah. Definitely no. Then sequential, definitely sequential. If you go there, a lot of time it will take. We don't know how much time it will take for that. If you go for that sequential, understand, guys? What I'm telling you now. Then total every 2 courses parallel. If you do that, and 7 to 8 months of time it will take. But if you go for that one after another, no, it will take a lot of time. Why? Because this is Java basically. Java in the sense mainly long durations. Even I'm going to work on weekends also. Then only we are able to complete it. When we start advanced Java, when we are learning core Java. Right, sir. Now understand it now. Then whenever after 2 weeks of time, just I'm going to take your sessions like which one you know at 6:15 to 7:30. I said 6:15 to 7:30 core Java is going on. After few concepts, after completion of few concepts at core Java, at 7:30 I will start advanced Java. That's the point I'm telling you. Right, sir. Right, sir. So with core Java, advanced Java knowledge, we cannot get a job. With the core Java and advanced Java, no. At present, as per the situation, as per my awareness, only core Java and advanced Java is not sufficient. Definitely, we require frameworks level. Up to Spring, we require minimum Spring at present, as per the awareness in outside. Understand it clearly? Right, sir. And along with this core Java, just we need to go for databases and all these things here we are able to start. Right, sir. This batch will, so today is a demo class. This batch, then today is a demo class there, and today is the first demo class I'm taking. As tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I will not go for these classes first weekend. Second demo class I will take on Monday. I will take a second demo class on Monday so that we'll go for that continuation. But Monday onwards we'll continue our content. Definitely, then advanced Java is understandable when we go for parallel with core Java. Most of the people, 99% of people are doing core Java and advanced Java parallelly only. But not immediately. After completion of some topics in core Java, we have to start advanced Java. On right point, I will start advanced Java. No need to worry for that. Whenever we are doing in the middle of the object orientation, we are eligible to attend for advanced Java. By the time I will start that advanced Java. Right, sir. When will course start? Anil B. And Monday onwards, I will start your schedule as it is. Right, sir. Now today is a demo class. Just I'm taking this demo session. Monday onwards, actual syllabus I will start there. Monday is also another second demo class, and Tuesday onwards, as per that, Monday onwards, your schedule will start automatically. All this, whatever the topics introduction part, I'm going to discuss there. Monday onwards, I'm going to take that sessions now. Come on, guys. Then if you have any queries there, just we can raise. Then I can give answers for it. And for learning Selenium, only core Java is sufficient. Advanced Java is not required. That is one question here I given there. Right. Selenium, for Selenium, yes, Shubham Gupta, I'm telling you, for advanced Java, for Selenium, advanced Java is not required. Just core Java is sufficient. Core Java is sufficient. Not required to go for advanced Java. And guys, and if you have any questions there, if you have any queries there, just in the question box, if you type it now, time to time I can check that the queries and I can give answers there immediately. Yeah, then definitely you are able to get certificate at the end of the course. Course completion certificate you are able to get. Conductor certificate you are able to get. From Durgasoft logo, with the Durgasoft logo, you are able to get that course completion certificate. At the end of the course, definitely you are able to get it. Yes, sir. Yes, come on, guys. Now tell me now. Morning time, it may take some time, sir, not immediately. So I need to check that lockdown situation also. Then after that, we'll plan for it. But anyway, then we'll check the possibility. Morning time batches now. Full stack course package, separate package is not available. Then I'll go for like which one here. What I'm telling you, individual courses only. But might be actually we have a plan from this batch onwards. We want to put that full stack now, but in the next batches onwards, we'll put that one. Right, sir. Yeah. Definitely some assignments will provide there. Balaji, Anamrai, there definitely will get some assignments there. Inside the classes itself, I'm going to give some tasks and I'm waiting for completing your task and it'll give some responses to me. It's going on ongoing on thing. Right from first day onwards, I'm going to give some type of things to you. Then we'll give for it. Yeah, Rohit Kanjani, no need to worry for that. Just you can talk with our admin people. They will give definitely that permission. They will give to you. No need to worry for that. Yeah, then this is not Java certification course, but with my knowledge and if you understand my classes there, I'm giving surely about up to 75 to 80% score in our certification. No, but this is not certification course anyway. Can I purchase advanced Java now or when it start? So anyway, then when I'm going to start advanced Java class, then by the time we can start it. Just now we can register with core Java. That's sufficient. No, definitely. Then within 20 days of time max, I will plan for advanced Java. I'll give that schedule also regarding that. Yeah, videos are accessible. Definitely, videos are provided to everybody. As part of this registration, automatically you are able to get videos. Videos are accessible 24/7 through Google Drive. They're able to. Our admin people will share that link to you through Google Drive. We can access that videos. Yeah, I wish. Certificate, then definitely course completion certificate you will get. Havish, no problem. That's it. That videos access maybe and maybe 6 months to 1 year of time, sir. I think so up to 1 year of time they're able to provide that service. Actually, and we are able to say that boundary 1 year of time there. But even after 1 year of time also may be possible. They're available. But 1 year of time we are able to get access. Max 1 year of time is sufficient to get aware about it. Max. Yes, sir. Then our office people, as per my awareness, they used to say some boundary, but it's not like that. It may be available, max. Definitely, sir. For interviews purpose, this definitely we'll go for it. For interview purpose, then we'll go for it. No need to worry for that. Okay. And definitely we'll give some guidelines on how to crack that interviews and what are the questions. See, moreover, one more thing I'm telling to you guys, in the classes itself, in the classes schedule itself, we are able to get, you are able to get like which one, no, interview questions and answers and everything. We used to discuss that. Yeah. In the material also some questions and answers are specified. So that's what I'm telling there. And Wasim Akram, just I'm telling to you, only core Java and advanced Java, if you learn, you can do the project in your own way, no problem. But the thing is, which one in the companies, 99% of the projects are going on with the frameworks. Minimum Spring framework is required. Without Spring framework, we can't do anything. Right. That's it. That's it. I'm going to wind up this demo session today. Max, within 5 minutes of time, just once if all of you are clear about your doubts, then I'll wind up the session today. Next class is on Monday. Monday, next class I will conduct. Monday as is 7:30. After 2 weeks of time, I will start our class at 6:15. And this see, and at Durgasoft and all courses might be complete full stack course is not existed now, but we are going to start courses there. But as per that, we are going to go for this registrations now. Advanced Java includes Hibernate also. No, no, no. Hibernate is separate course and Advanced Java is separate course. Yeah, after 2 weeks, then no problem, Shubham. Shubham Gupta. Then we can go for whenever I'm going to start this morning classes there. You can attend for that also. You'll not get any problem. Yeah, and Rohit, and it's not like all courses at a time. No, just individual courses only we are planning there. Just you can come for it. When can we start Hibernate and Spring? Hibernate is going on, sir. Just a few days back, I started at evening time 8:30. 8:30 to 9:30, this class is going on. Maybe in a month of time, I will start Spring Framework. Month to 40 days of time, I will start Spring Framework. Once Hibernate is completed, then I will start Spring Framework. That's my plan. Hibernate is going on there, then I'll start it. Yeah, Wasim Akram, just we can type it, no problem there. Or else and send a mail to durgasoftonlinetraining@gmail.com. I will see that and I will give response for it. Regular class are going on Monday onwards. Monday onwards, I'll go for our syllabus. I will start directly introduction part. And to start Selenium, at least minimum object orientation you require. At least 1.5 month of time we have to attend to complete this, to start the Selenium testing. At least 1 month to 1.5 month of time we have to attend. Shubham Gupta. Right, sir. No. Then without having knowledge on core Java and advanced Java, not possible to attend for Hibernate. If you want to attend for Hibernate, minimum JDBC is required. So without having knowledge on core Java and JDBC, it's not possible to attend for Hibernate classes. Yeah, not possible. You may get problems in the future also. But that's what I'm telling to you. First, you should be strong in core Java and advanced Java. Then only we can think of like which one they know, advanced Java there. Yeah, definitely. Then core and advanced Java will complete within 90 days of time. Just within 20 days of time, I will start advanced Java. Advanced Java duration is also like 2.5 months to 3 months of time. I will take it. Parallel, if you do that, you will complete it. Both the courses will complete maybe max at a time. Yeah. Yeah, Wasim Akram. That's okay. It's a problem always. If it is a case, it's a problem always. But first of all, complete uh, the total might be right from core Java to advanced Java to hybrid. All courses, if you complete, if you have subject level, then only it will be good. Otherwise, it's not suggestible. Even my personal perspective also, it's not suggestible. Better to go in like which one as per the procedure. Yeah, Sachin, if you send the screenshots to I will give one channel there, and in Google Classroom, I will create a channel. Through that, I can send the screenshots to me, then I can check it and I can give answers for it. Max. Yeah, no problem. Then you will get that. Or else maybe just if you type that queries no, then easily I can solve your answers. Easily I can solve your questions there. And while in the meeting also, then I can solve it. Max. Definitely. Then you can balance this course and job. But the thing is, which one first you should require like which one there basic awareness on Java. Otherwise, it's not possible. Yeah, Balaji. Then durgasoftonline.com is there. If you want to get videos separately without having this course now, if you don't want to come for these courses, if you want to go for the videos there, durgasoftonline.com is available. The courses might be there. They are somewhat fixed videos there, but training in the sense live training. I'm telling you. Yeah, that videos might be then see then videos in the sense maybe and 5 to 6 months back we put that videos there. Think about it. Now this is live training. Definitely BT difference might be going on. If the duration, if the gap is going on more, definitely some difference is going on. Right, sir. Okay, fine. Okay, Balaji, no problem. Then when we are starting that morning classes, they will give intimation. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Anything, guys? Anything else, guys? Thanks a lot. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Wasim Akram. Our regular classes will start on Monday onwards. Monday 7:30. Directly on Monday. Next class is on Monday. Monday 7:30 onwards, we'll start our classes. Right, right, right. Okay, guys, that's fine. And I'll meet on Monday. Definitely, Wasim Akram. You'll complete max. If you follow these courses parallelly, you'll complete it max. Right, right, right. It's like one core Java classes, not related to certification. More than that, OCA. These classes are going more than this OCA. Yeah, definitely. Good, good. Anything else, guys? And shall we meet on Monday? Shall we meet on Monday? Yeah, sure. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.